Hello everyone, in today's video I'll explain how to fix the rate limit reached error on Grok. So Grok uses server-side limits based on your usage and subscription. That means things like closing the app, logging out or cleaning cache won't reset your limit. You simply need to wait. Now, here's how the timing works. Grok uses a rolling time window. For example, if you hit the limit at 10 a.m., your usage will start resetting around 10 a.m. the next day. So there is also short-term limits that usually reset in about 2 hours. So a good tip is to remember when you used it the most and wait accordingly. While waiting, you can prepare better prompts, try to combine multiple questions into one instead of sending many small requests. Also, avoid spamming retries. This only makes the cooling down longer. If you need more access right away, you can upgrade to a higher premium plan, which gives you more usage and priority. And one important warning, avoid any tools or tricks that claim to bypass limits. They can get your account banned or compromised. So to recap, wait for the reset, improve your prompts, and upgrade if needed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.